trying few bikes here. I love BMW. Came here in BMW for test riding this bike. Like this classic 650 Royal Enfield, looks beautiful. So hey guys, welcome back to Cabroid. So today is amazing day. As you can see, we are in Thailand and this is beautiful day today, and I'm in Triumph. So actually I'm in Rama 5 area. So this Rama 5 area is full of like a lot of bike showrooms. Like there is a BMW Motorrad. This is Triumph. There is a Zontes. That side is a Kawasaki. So whole area is like, and there is a Harlan Davidson, you can see. So this full area is like the area of motorcycles lover and garage. I'm also came for my motorcycle servicing. So my motorcycle is BMW S1000RR. So this is already 1 year old, and this is for 1 year service. I came here in BMW Rama 5. I'm going now inside Triumph. This is my boys are here. This is a turtle riders. He's not a rider actually. He's a turtle, we are the riders, yes. Yeah. So this is good place actually. This is whole Rama 5 area is like full of bikes. You can come here for test ride and all. So as you can see, few people are already doing test ride here. Yeah, this is beautiful. And you can see a lot of beautiful bikes, Triumph bikes. This is the new Speed Twin, beautiful looking. The color, this color is beautiful. Speed Twin. Yeah, so this is actually, I like about Triumph that they have a lot of different styles of bikes. They have also sports bike now. So the sports bike are also selling good. That Daytona 660, they are selling very good here in Thailand because pricing is very good. I have tried that bike. It is good bike. It's a very good bike. Triple cylinder is very good bike. Definitely Tiger is selling very good here, and all the classic bikes of Triumph are selling amazing. So in Thailand, full of Triumph classic bike you can see, and they have very good community here. So see these bikes, beautiful looking bikes. And this is amazing, right? This is Speed Triple 1200RR. And this is timeless classic Truckstone. Amazing, right? So actually I came here not for servicing initially. So I came here to see the boys, turtle rider boys. So actually we have few bikers here who used to ride together, and we are not riding much right now. So just wanted to see these guys, how these guys are doing, and I'm feeling very good today after seeing these people. So yeah, this place is amazing. If you're coming in Bangkok, if you are planning to buy, if you are planning to try different bikes, you can come here, you can try, test ride a lot of bikes. BMW. So I'll go to BMW now. I'll show you this BMW Rama 5 area. So my bike is here, actually. This is Roman. This is Nav. So these guys are trying few bikes here. And this is BMW Rama 5, and you can see beautiful bikes, BMW bikes. I love BMW. I love BMW bikes, or BMW, whatever. So this is their brand new right? GS, beautiful looking. So this color is beautiful, emerald green. And this is newly launched here. Adventure, GSA Adventure, GSA 1300, beautiful looking, right? So I like about BMW that they are really innovative on their way, and the pricing is also good here in Thailand. So you can see a lot of BMW bikes here in Thailand. They have very big community as well, but not like Tram. Tram is huge here actually, the community wise. And I really like this bike, you know. This is RT 1250 RT. So if you are planning to ride with your partners, this is the bike. Sport touring, amazing bike. I've tried. It's very nimble and amazing bike. This is timeless classic, beautiful looking. R12. So now I came here in BMW for test riding this bike. This is beautiful, and this is very versatile bike, you know, but it is a little bit taller for me. But let's see. My bike is on servicing, then I can just try this bike for few hours maybe. Let's see. Yeah, this looks beautiful. This extra exhaust, F900cc. The headlight also looks beautiful. रोड लेने के लिए बहुत सही बाइक है ये।
इसमें कुछ शिफ्ट भी आ रहा है, सब कुछ है।
हाँ, लाइट है, very lightweight. So the bike actually little bit taller, but I can tiptoe. This is a good bike actually, definitely good bike. I have tried, and this will be definitely good bike for off-road. This is a ADB bike definitely, and I really like this bike. You know that this is actually parallel twin engine, and yeah, I like it. And this also come with acropovic exhaust, and the look is good, you know, so it looks beautiful looking. This is actually the modern styling, so you need to have the key is with me. So this is the key, and you need to put the key on with you, on your pocket, so I can just, that's it. And the exhaust sound. It's quite nice, beautiful looking, right? They also have Royal Enfield here, so this is the whole area, as I told you, full of bikes. So this is also Royal Enfield showroom. This is like a shopping heaven for all the bikes. So if you're coming here, you can look out all the different brands here and just try it. So this is the new classic 650 twin they have launched. Wow, this looks beautiful, right? This is Royal Enfield. Looks beautiful actually. This is beautiful looking bike. Oh my god. So actually I had Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 chrome color, just like this, same chrome. And I'm missing my bike actually, and I really like this classic 650 Royal Enfield. It looks beautiful. This is a 350. good. Wow. Look and feel is amazing, right? Beautiful. Royal Enfield badging, classic 350, instrument cluster and all everything. Amazing. Let's go. This one? So I'm gonna try. Okay. Bike is definitely reminding me my Ford Interceptor 650, but so I feel little bit refinement happened during the process of making this classic. I like it. I really like it because before this, actually, I have tried the Triumph Speed Twin 1200 cc. Much more power, definitely much more torquier, but this is also good. Means the price and everything looks wise. All the package and everything, actually Royal Enfield done beautiful job. I really like it. Means if I am planning for second bike for city and all, this is a very good bike actually. I definitely go for this. Yeah, so today is actually a very fun day with a lot of bikes. Classic 650 Royal Enfield, this bike, and I have tried also Speed Twin, my friend's bike, Rizwan's. So yeah, overall very good day. So that's it guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe to Cap.Droid and please do follow me on Instagram, cap.droid. It is in description. So see you with another amazing moto content. Bye bye. So my bike is ready, first service is done. Looks beautiful, right? This feels amazing, man. Super sport, if you ride super sport and if you want to try other bikes, all bikes look, man,